threads are coming in perfect condition or not. When there is a single disconnect happened in one single thread, the machine stops. Now I know that the machine stops means there is something problem. There is some problem. Something fishy there. But my job is to go there, see whether it is to connect it and then again reset, again it starts. So the basic fundamental is that they call this as automation. That means automation with the human intelligence. Means by providing the necessary brain to the machine, the rejections are reduced. Now again, behind this there are a lot of tools and techniques they formulated. Okay. So like this, and then how do I know that my customer wants me so many times? During this process, they developed one instrument, one tool called the Kanban. What is that Kanban? Kanban is simple ordering tool. That means I take a piece of paper and give it back. It's a piece of paper. It clearly says what is the name of the item, part number, how many number I want, where I want, and what sort of packing it should be. Everything is written in a small piece of paper. Now I go and give this to me. It's a purchase order. You can say it's a purchase order. An order is placed now. Now he will see and he will produce 10 number and he will give 10 number. That means this order is closed. If you produce more and keep it, it is your money, keep it. So they devised these are all some of the tools. The Kanban. Now Kanban role, and at the end of that book, Daiichi Ono is telling, just imagine the Kanban card is controlling the entire Toyota, he said. That is the power. Now, before you introduce Kanban, your quality level should improve. When you want to improve quality level, now your machine availability should improve. You cannot keep that the machine keep on breaking down. Machine breakdown. They have to inform somebody, they will come alternate till the time I will be sitting like this, or I will go and have a tea. Nothing. So the availability, uptime of the machine needs to be ensured. The machine needs to be running at any given time. The outputs coming from the machine are always perfectly okay. And operators are mind is free to think something more. When I say more, means they have to understand that the routine work is taken care by the machine itself. Now I need to do more. How I can improve the system? How I can improve the next process? How I can improve the end product? They started looking into it. Then came one big catastrophe in the world for the entire world. It is called oil crisis. It is called oil crisis. Up to that time, Toyota was also producing cars and it is selling. Now Ford was producing car, GM producing car, and there is one more question. Who is the highest number of producers of
Toyota. Ford. Toyota.
There is no inky panky, inky panky. If A is not there, then B. If B is not there, then C.
Toyota, Honda.
Who? As of today, who is the highest? Toyota. Sure. This side. No idea.
In the Indian scenario,
Overall. Who is the highest number of motorcycle manufacturers in the world? I'm finding some Yamaha. Then, any third answer? Any third answer? Okay, again I am putting this question. Who is the highest number of motorcycle manufacturers in the world? Sir, you call விளம்பரம் தான் பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கீங்க ஹீரோ ஹோண்டா Yamaha. Yamaha இல்லை, ஹீரோ ஹோண்டா. ஹீரோ ஹோண்டாலும் ஹோண்டா இந்த 1ஆம் தேதியிலேருந்து போயிடுறேன், அப்புறம் 1ஆம் தேதி வெறும் ஹீரோ தான். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஹோண்டா ஆனாலும் who is the number 2 motorcycle manufacturer in India? TVS,
Bajaj, Kinetic,
Honda motorcycle and scooters India Limited. என்ன வண்டி செய்றாங்க?
Activa. Activa.
நீங்க உங்க ரகத்துக்கு யூனிக்கா சொல்லிட்டீங்க, இவங்க ரகத்துக்கு Honda motorcycle scooters India Limited, they are the second. And it is not so long that they will come to number 1. That is what their games plan. That is why they. Are you aware of it? I think you need to aware of this. Hero Honda has formally announced their break. Honda is coming out of Hero, and they are going to concentrate in India as a Honda only. Already Hero Honda is there, then what is it? Already Honda is there, but they were supporting Hero group with the technology and the design. Now they say no, you are separate. So like this, everybody was making cars, everyone was selling like all this thing. Then suddenly came one thing called the oil crisis. What is oil crisis?
Shortage.
How many people? Somebody was raising hand. Yes? You wanted to say something? You know that?
Shortage of petrol.
Because it needed less of every input to create value. What is value? You know what do you mean by the term value? Do you expect any value in your any of your purchases?
Worthful.
இப்ப எல்லாரும் போட்டி போடுறாங்க. ஒருத்தர் வந்து 1 கோடி ரூபாய், and specifically talking, though it is common to all, and specifically talking. ஒருத்தர் விளம்பரத்துல வந்து சொல்றாரு 1 கோடி ரூபாய் உடனே தரோம், 1 கோடி ரூபாய் தேவைன்னு சொல்றாரு. இன்னொருத்தர் வந்து சொல்றாரு மார்க்கெட்ல இதாங்க டிக்கெட் பிரைஸ் அப்படின்றாரு. எதை பத்தி பேசுறேன்னு புரியுதுங்களா? அதுல ஏதாவது நீங்க ஏதாவது வேல்யூ லூஸ் பண்றீங்களா? Do they add value to what you make? Apurva case நீங்க பணம் கொடுத்தீங்க. This is the real reason. Because it is a rare metal. It is a valuable metal. It is not like steel. Right? So for the wastage happening at that end, you are paying. So this is value. That means you are giving value for that person's innovation. You are paying money for their disorganized. Now tell me what is value then? People were looking at the product only. When the product is not meeting the specification, then they said that the product is rejected. But the product is the creation of a process. If the process is a substandard, how a quality product will come from? This is what we call this as process view. Means there is an input, there is an output. In between that, there is a conversion process. Now, do not look at the output side. Focus on the input side. And improve continuously the input side. You get a better output. This is the process view of it. So all values are created by the process. Now the duty of the person in an organization is not technical. My job is to tighten this, or my job is to test this, my job is to inspect this. No. Everybody's responsibility is to look into the value creation. Create value. Now, when you say this way, as we discussed, what is the value? What is the value of a process? If I am doing a process, for this process, if my customer is ready to pay me, if the customer is ready to pay me, then only it is called the value of the product or value of the product. If the customer is not ready to pay me, are you willing to pay for 8% paying to Kerala 10%? So this is what so when we say look into the value and value creation is the important concept. Then there are other things are coming like customer viewpoint, value stream. We say value stream. What is value stream? And value stream and making the value stream to flow, they say. Before we come to the how of this value stream and how to make the value stream flow, let us understand why. Why of value and why value stream. Finally they say pursue perfection, all these things are there. What is value? What is quality? Meet customer requirements. Some definition, sort of definition. It is not the entire of it, but I am just giving the icing. It is icing on the cake. When I say quality, the icing on the cake is top layer is that continuous improvement, meet quality requirements, elimination of waste. Elimination of waste. It started with elimination of waste. Why they started with elimination of waste is too much to be wasted. I don't have anything to waste. And whatever I need to convert it into a useful product. Then comes the service. Customer support, the flexibility to meet customer demand. Flexibility to meet customer demand. In the year 1950, I was talking about there was a strike and the chairman stepped down. That year, Toyota booked losses. Ran into losses. And then in the year 2010, last year, again Toyota ran into losses. Are you aware of it?
Sure.
There are a lot of safety related problem in US for all Toyota vehicles. You are all used to have the habit of reading newspapers, watching television channels, not Isayarvi, Sun Music, Fashion TV, C Cafe, NDTV news channel or some other news channel, CNN, BBC. So after 60 years again it went into losses. So when I put up the question, who is the highest number of cars? It is not Ford, it is not Toyota. It is General Motors. This General Motors. And when Toyota